Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to work on unboxing the RBP Stealth Power running boards for 2016 Ram 1500 quad cab. Let's go take a look. Alright, we have here RBP Rolling Big Power Stealth running boards for 09 to 18 Ram 15, 25, 35 up to 55. These are for the quad cab for length. The RBP 215 SP. Couple big boxes in the middle. I would assume that's our long running board there. And that's our second one. Alright, go ahead and set this one aside. I want to make sure when we lay these out, you can see, make sure you get the right ones for the right spots. You can see that's the front right. That's showing up very well. We got the rear right there. Center box looks like our wiring. Almost good. Got our LEDs. It's like the bracket wiring harness connector, and sorry for the glare, we'll unbag those in a minute. It's just the on-off switch. The long wires, and these look like they'll be the door sensors. And on to the last one. This is a no-brainer. This is going to be our left side running board brackets. Front left. And there's our rear left. Alright, so here's the underside of the running boards with the logo. Got a little dirt we gotta clean off on this one. We got a grooved upper side. So that's what you'll get in your Rolling Big Power RBP Stealth Power running boards. And obviously 2 brackets for each side along with the running board to mount. This is where The sliders mount into the brackets. And those are right here. Check out the next video and we'll get to the installation part of the project. That's the unboxing of the RBP power running boards. Thanks.